To install PostgreSQL on Windows 11, first, download the latest PostgreSQL installer for Windows from the official PostgreSQL website. Once the download is complete, double-click the installer to launch the setup wizard. Click Next to proceed through the initial screens. When prompted, choose the installation directory or accept the default location. In the Select Components screen, ensure that PostgreSQL Server, pgadmin4, and command line tools are selected. Click Next to continue. Next, specify the data directory where PostgreSQL will store its data files or accept the default location. Enter a password for the database superuser, default is Postgres, and confirm it. Choose the port number for the PostgreSQL server, the default is 5432. Select the locale for the database server, the default is typically fine. Review your selections and click Next to begin the installation. Wait for the installation to complete, then click Finish to exit the setup wizard. To verify the installation, open the pgadmin4 application from the Start menu. The pgadmin dashboard should appear, indicating that PostgreSQL is running correctly.